It is the kind of thing that you can add multiple plugins and it never slows my system down.
Expert reviews.
This is the Reaper digital audio workstation. For me, it is the best interface considering that its maximum price is $60 to get the license for it. They do also offer it as a free version as well. I recommend this to anyone that is just getting started with the recording process. If they just want to learn the most simple interface, I like it because it is so simple that they're really having fewer options allows you to route stuff a lot more quickly and allows you to have a little bit of a better and more sort of rapid workflow in a creative environment. The Reaper digital audio workstation is a fast and efficient workstation. It is very, very fast between options. Creating tracks is very simple. It doesn't drain your CPU. Say you want to route and set up a full drum kit. The Reaper workstation will allow you to plug in multiple things at once and record multiple tracks at the same time. For me, I really appreciate that there aren't too many things going on the screen at once. You can really simplify the process and you can get a very clear view of your workstation while you're working, which I think helps the creative process move forward much more rapidly. So the Reaper software comes with a ton of great out-of-the-box kind of reverbs. It comes with really great delays that are on there built in already. There's a ton of really great effects. Pretty much anything that you can think of, especially if you're working on simple tracking like I am. I don't want to get bogged down with way too many options, way too many plugins. You don't need multiple monitors for the Reaper interface as well. So another thing that I love about the Reaper interface is it processes the audio very, very quickly. I mean, you can bounce down a song in just a few seconds if you're just demoing. Oftentimes I find myself in the past year working via Zoom on songwriting sessions. This really helps me work back and forth with another songwriter. I can send them quick musical examples because Reaper has such a fast rendering and such a fast bounce down rate that you can just track and then send an MP3 almost right away. And then you can get feedback from the other musician that you're working with. I discovered the Reaper audio workstation from my old guitar player in my previous band. We worked on a lot of demo tracking and we worked in the studio a lot. At the time, his preferred method of recording was using the Reaper interface. And so I went with what he was doing because he's such a phenomenal engineer. I decided to just kind of learn from what he was doing, and he was a big fan of using the workstation from Reaper, and it ended up being a really great creative flow that I still use to this day. I would recommend the Reaper digital audio workstation to anyone getting started, anyone that is just deciding today, I want to start recording and I have a Mac, I have a PC, whatever you have at home, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a desktop. I'd recommend it to anyone that wants to get started with a really, really streamlined, really simple version of things. It'll allow you to learn without being bogged down with way too much information. And so I would recommend it to anyone getting started, and I would recommend it to anyone that just wants to simplify their process creatively.